Okay, we are back with part 2, and we were with Molly, the unicorn, who was going to add up to 10. And as a reminder, the Georgia standards that fit in with this little activity, and what we're doing right now in our classroom is word problems. Our children use word problems to solve within 10. They do addition and they do subtraction. We've just added subtraction back into their lessons just since we've come back for a second semester. So here we are with Molly. Molly has up to 10. And the narrator is going to come on and read directions. We'll skip that. We know what to do. Molly's going to go along. She's going to collect the beans. And at the end, she'll put them in a pot and make a magic rainbow. Okay, the bush is growing 7 orange beans and 2 purple beans. How many beans are there? And the answer is 9. So she collects them and she goes to the next. And she progresses along, like I said, to the end. She'll collect beans as she goes. Let's see what this one wants. Here she comes. Okay, 2 yellow beans and 6. How many are there altogether? And the answer is 8. So she'll go on, like I said, and at the end she'll make a little recipe with her beans, and she'll make her rainbow at the end. And it's very cute, and like I said, the girls like Molly very, very much. We're going to say goodbye to Molly here and come out. And if I didn't mention it, the kids, when they are doing their computer work, they do have headphones, so you can't hear. We collectively cannot hear what's going on, but the kids can in their ears. So I told you we would talk about these different categories, the holiday strategy and skills. If you just click through, you can see there's little seasonal holiday activities for them to do. They really like to do these Christmas lights. You click in here and you go through. It may take a minute. Okay, if we can get to it quickly. They want you to decorate a house with Christmas lights. See, and there's Santa, and it plays Christmas music. And they just want you to decorate with Christmas lights, and then you count as you decorate, which is really cute. They like that a whole lot. Especially right around Christmas time. Counting hearts, they'll do that pretty soon. The girls especially like the seasonal things. And then there's strategy games that they can do. The donut drop, they like that very much. They like the bubble shooter down here. They like this a lot. And then skills over here. A lot of them like to paint. Find the technology, computer vocabulary. They like to stack the cups. So as you can see, this is just a wealth of learning activities for them to do. The other thing I wanted to tell you about is that I actually am lucky enough to be able to work at the school that my children go to. My children are in 2nd and 5th grade, and they both have told me that they use ABCYA in their classrooms. And my 5th grader said he even uses it in his technology class. So what they've done, they've added a technology class as a special now. So they have PE, music, art, and technology now, which is great, I think. And he said that they have gone on ABC in their technology class. I asked my daughter, I said, what do you like to do the best? And she said, oh, I just like to do everything. I'm like, well, okay, she probably does. It's probably interesting. So she just kind of does a la carte. If I guessed, she probably would like to do the second grade word games. She likes that kind of stuff. But as you can see, they can make puzzles. They can alphabetize. The avian alphabet is all birds, which is real fun. I clicked on the 5th grade activities too. And my son told me his favorite thing is dogs in space. And let me see if I can take you there. Where is it? Here it is. Dogs in Space. This is a strategy game that he likes very much. And I tried to start it. And I was like, the 5th graders are probably much better at this than I am. This is a commercial. I don't know why that's there. That's never happened before. It says it's 30 seconds. We'll just wait for that to filter through. I guess they need to know about these things, whatever they are. Great. Dogs in Space. Here we go. This is he said you have to find your way out of each different room. The dogs are lost in space and they have to get out of different rooms, he was telling me, and then go back to the capsule so that they can go down to Earth. And as you can see, there are different levels here. I couldn't even get out of the first room. He was telling me about this and assures me that this is a great thing. So, it's obviously engaging for the 5th graders and they like it very much. Here are the directions that they have to do, and this was about as far as I got. So I'm guessing that you have to click around and solve puzzles and do riddles, etc., etc. So overall, this is abcia.com, and I was very excited to see this on the list of apps, and I was very excited to be able to tell you all about this. I just think comprehensively, it is a great app. We use it school-wide. The kids love it. It's user-friendly, and I think it's just great for the kids. So I certainly appreciate you all listening to me in my 2 parts, and I hope you all have a good night. Thanks so much.